Hey guys, it's Ivy the Happy Whisk and welcome back to another video. This morning I made black beans. No, that's a lie. This morning I made barbecue beans in my InstantPot and there they are. They're for supper later. Right now I'm hungry and I'm gonna make a barbecue bean stew or soup. I'm not really sure how it's gonna work out. It's cooking now, it's pressure cooking now, and I'm doing the voiceover now. So I had some leftover corn, I chucked it in. Some yellow potatoes, just a rough cut, tossing those in as well. Garlic chives from the garden, actually from the forest. Garlic, dried garlic, I had a little bit left over, I tossed it in. Dried onion, I love dehydrated onion, dehydrated garlic in the Instapot. I love how it just brings the dish to life and hydrates while it pressure cooks. A little bit of water, because I do want more liquid than the beans have, the barbecue beans. More corn, because I can't help it. I saw it on the counter. I was like, tuck a little bit more in. Cherry tomatoes. Those are organic cherry tomatoes, and they're delicious. I just had a few in the fridge. Chucked it in. Broccoli. I'm having broccoli with supper, but I stole two of the broccolis that I prepped, and I just chucked them in. With broccoli, I don't usually bury it in water, because I find it gets really, really brown. Or dark green. I'm giving it a taste just to see what I need because I want that barbecue flavor in there. I'm using 3 different kinds of paprika. A Hungarian paprika, a smoked paprika. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. And then I'm using a Chipotle. Didn't really use a measuring, I'm just using the end of the spoon. Chipotle and Hungarian paprika. So I got a smoked, I got a regular, and then I got a Chipotle in there. Giving it a mix. I don't know why I'm not using a spoon. I don't know. There you go. That's better. But now I'm thinking, what else do I want to put in there? So I went to my fridge and I went with carrots. Carrots. Just rough chopped carrots. About half a carrot in there. I decided I wanted to go with more beans though. Just a little bit more. We're going to use those, like I said, for later tonight. But I'm kind of grooving on the baked beans in the Instapot. Super, super, super yummy. Giving it a little bit of a wipe. I'm a messy cook. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know why I'm turning it around and around. Maybe I'm trying to get a picture. Little raw garlic going in. Again, just a rough chop. I'm not doing anything fancy. The Instapot's going to take that garlic and go and mush it. Found these little itty bitty star pasta things. Look how cute they are. Got them at Target. They're organic, made in Italy. Now, I never made this before, so I don't know if that's going to be enough liquid to hydrate the little bit of pasta. I'm thinking that it would. The beans are already done, so they don't need to be rehydrated. Going with a little more. I really like these little star pastas. I'm going to do this on 20 minutes high and more, so I don't know what will happen to those pastas. We'll find out together. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Can I see it? Can you see it? I'm trying to... There you go. Oh, my hands are so dry. I've been outside working today. There we go. In with the Reapers. Really, really delicious. My friend Anita sent me a bunch of dehydrated chilies from her garden, and the Reapers make it fantastic. All right, that's in. I'll come back and let you know how it turned out. Oh my God, it is so good. I love this idea. The Reaper in there, super duper makes it, and then the barbecue beans, the pinto beans. I went with pinto. So delicious and not too mushy, even though I already made them this morning. I only put them in for 20 minutes and more, so that seemed to work really well. The broccoli, I have a thing with broccoli in the Instapot. It just kind of turns to mush, but in this case, I'm okay with that. The garlic is delicious. Did I mention the Reaper? The Reaper is fantastic. I love it. This is a wonderful way to just make soup or stew or whatever. I can even put more pasta in here. I could put this over mashed potatoes. Anything I want. That's the joy and fun of an Instapot. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. This has been another video from me to you. I hope you're well. I'll catch you guys next time. Whisk out.